Okay, good evening. Here is how to create your account. Go in Google search and type this word, and then find this domain. As you see here, the word Mozambique. Let's place your own bets. Then click here. It will direct you in the registration page. So here you must change the language here. Maybe you can choose Portuguese or English or whatever as you like, and then click sign up. Enter your mobile phone number here, for example 85 87 42 39 85 7 42 23 90. Okay, this is my phone number. The country code should be 258. Then create your password. Your password you can change, or you can change in time, but make sure you enter the password which you can remember. So here I can enter the password like this: 99. Communication language, you can choose English or Portuguese as you like. Then here enter your promo code or promotional code or sign up code. In Mozambique, promo code is MZA84. This is your promo code for bonus. Then click here to accept all conditions. Then click sign up. Okay, this is how you can create your Betway account in Mozambique. Okay, the last step, you can deposit in your account. You can choose any game you want. As you see here is for bonus coupons, welcome pack. You can click here to accept all bonus, which is free bet, free spin, and Aviator free flights. After that, you can click here to register account. Make sure your promo code is MZA884 for Mozambique. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.